All right, boys and girls, it's Mrs. Wolfanger here. So today I'm going to show you how to make our fortune teller. Sometimes it's called a cootie catcher. It's something that we will use a lot throughout the year for various review games, some fun times, just a lot of things. So it's important that you know how to make them. So this video will help to teach you. So you need to start off with a piece of paper that is a square. It has to be a square, not a rectangle to work. You're going to take the corners and fold them over into each other so you have a big triangle. Then open it up. Take the opposite corners and fold those into each other. You want to try to line the corners up as best you can because these lines are going to be important later. So you have another big triangle. Open it up. You'll see that gives you almost a point in the middle here, but where the two folds cross. So then you're going to fold each corner into that point. You want to get as close into that point as you can, but don't go over the point. It's okay if you're a little bit behind it, but if you actually go past it, that makes the next step harder. So you're going to fold all four corners into that point so that you have a square kind of like that. Take it and flip it over, and you're going to do the same thing. Take your corner and go into that point. It gets a little bit harder because now it's thicker, but all four are going to fold right over into this point. Same as last time, you don't want to go past the point. If you're a little bit inside it, that's okay. So it will look like this when you're done with those folds. Then you want to flip it over again and fold it in half, kind of horizontally. And then these little flaps, put your fingers into, and this is kind of the trickiest part. You have to kind of wiggle it a little bit sometimes. Push it out. Once you do have it up, go on your bottom and really tighten these creases. Really push hard on them to make them stick. And voila, you have your fortune teller cootie catcher. Now we will write, sometimes when we use them for review, we could write states around here and capitals on the inside to pick, and you spell them out to play. But this video hopefully helped you learn how to make them, and we'll use them in the future. Thanks.